local on the 8s.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 28 degrees with snow. Here's our local Doppler radar. Overnight, snow will be heavy at times along with gusty winds, some blowing and drifting snow. Low 27. Winds northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. For Saturday, periods of snow and windy. High 27. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. And Saturday night, fair skies. Low 12. Winds north-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. The week ahead.
Are you weatherproof? Weatherproof, Sunday nights at 9.